Hey everybody, it's me again. I'm going to get into litigation support. So we're going to click on Go to Portal, and basically this is going to be our case law research tool. We use a third-party company backed by Pacer, and we actually have 8 million cases here in the database. If you explain your case thoroughly, it'll actually give you similar cases. So if you wanted to do some research on that, you absolutely could. So for example, I have a personal injury case where my client got injured in a fire of an apartment complex. Give me similar cases, please. So now it's going to search case law and go through previous cases that are similar, and it will help you with your research. So the good part about litigation support is all your past searches will actually be here. So let's say you exit out and you shut your computer off, everything will still be up there. So if you just wanted to get back into it, get back into your research, it'll be up and running for you, and it'll be here in past searches. So here we have previous cases that have happened that are similar to the ones that we are working on. And you can click on this. You can download all the case briefs. You can copy it to the clipboard. Okay, and some cases actually offer audio as well, which is really cool. And then it'll give you the Supreme Court location here on the left. And it actually gives you the information of the judge who was on the case as well. So super thorough. If you want to add it to your list, you could absolutely start making a list of that case. So here we go. For example, apartment, personal injury, case. Go ahead and click save. And then this way, all the information that you gather based on that case will be organized in a bookmark, ready to go. Super straightforward, very easy to use. You can ask it as many questions as you need to, and there's no limit to that. So that's pretty much it for litigation support. Thanks so much, guys, for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support anytime.